Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 MS setting display personalized setting not opening without create a new user. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, guys, if you are using Windows 10 or a Windows 11, it does not matter. The method is same to fix this type of error. So let's start. First of all, type a registry editor and open a registry editor. Rightly run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, first of all, select the HK current user and expand it. Select the software and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out the classes. Now here is the classes and expand it, and scroll down and find out a find out a MS settings. But if not appear in the classes, then right click new and select a key and set a name is ms minus settings. Okay guys, and select it. First of all, open a default and set a value data is URL colons ms dash settings. Click OK. Right click new and create a string value and set a name is URL protocol. And after that, close the registry editor. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.